and many have not signed. Now you can sign. Clear now? Signature of the student, one line is there. Above that you sign it. That work is over. Sign with the blue. And order, sometimes you are posting maybe in different order. Order should be cover page, certificate, acknowledgement, content. This is the order. Then you keep your project. First 4 pages printed. Now you can spiral it. Now you can spiral it. And see the spelling of the project. One project I got, a critical study on the works of William. Which William? Critical study on the works of William. Maybe your neighbor William. It is William Shakespeare. And you write, see the spelling of Shakespeare. So cover page, it should be that printed note, the spellings of the author should be very clearly written without mistakes. You check it, match with. Once there is mistake, you have to replace it. This is about the project, and the others should submit the project today itself. Some have done very well, very good formation, very good cover page. I have seen very well done. Why I tell all these very strictly, next year it is to go for external evaluation, not we. Outside people will evaluate. So there shall be no mistakes. This is about the project. In this way, all the projects, I will go through, all the projects should be in the proper way you have to make it. Number 2, there are some, especially maths and computer science IP. Maths, applied maths, computer science IP. Teachers are giving you everyday homework. Maths and computer science, everyday homework. Today I checked with Dhanya ma'am, her mobile Google form. I could see how many of you are responding your answers. I saw it. That is why I talked. Then I told madam that today I will talk to them. Maths, I could see every day 2 sheets of worksheets. Punya, is it right?
Yes, sir.
It's how many of you are doing it? Okay, you are not doing it. There are some very good fellows in this class who skip computer class. Not only boys, some girls also. I got the names. I never expect these kind of things from this present 11th class. I keep a great appreciation about your class. So I should not see such kind of remark. Not attend. Even there are very villain girls also. Skipping, not 1 day, 2 days. And when the teacher calls them, next day, they are after 1 day, again skipping. Maybe few, maybe 3 or 4. Maybe 3 or 4. I know I have kept the name with me. Now I will, if it is repeated, I will call your parents. I will not call you. I will call your parents. So attending the class now, another thing, next week onwards, we are going our classes with a full swing. We are going all the subjects with a full swing. So stretch your arms very well. Take daily exercises. Don't feel sleepy. Don't get tired. Clear? Stretch your arms. Take exercises. Get energy. Get ready for a fight with the subjects. Not with me. Not with me. you will have more periods, physics, chemistry, maths, all the subjects will have normal periods because we are going to have one more smart board today. You see how chairman is very much aware about you, your needs. He told Joseph sir, we have to finish all the portions before time. And I have given the deadline to the teachers to complete all the portion by, do you know, January 25th. My target is January 25th to complete your plus one portions. Once the target is, Nandana, once target is made, what will happen? Nandana,
Exams.
once target is made,
Exams.
it will be completed. So we will finish all the portions by January 20. Annette, try for the battle. So I am on full swing. My hands and legs are all fit for this fight. I am fit. So you have to be fit. So Monday onwards, timetable will be changed. New schedule will be there. More periods will be there. All the subjects will be there. 8 periods, 10 periods, like that. So get ready for that. Okay. And you know, online classes are far powerful than the regular classes. Portions are covered. So you have to work out daily. No time to waste. Do the work because portion will go. Portion will go. Daily basis you have to work. You are not here now salary earners. You are daily wage earners. You see? Clear now? You are taken not on salary basis contract. Monthly salary is not for you. You have daily wages. Daily wages is more than the salary wages. If an unskilled laborer goes, he gets 1,000 rupees per day. Sometimes a skilled person, professional goes, he may get only 600, 700 rupees salary basis. The difference, on Sunday he will not work, but he will work on Sunday also. So if you work hard on daily basis, you will earn more. That is the meaning. Portions will go. If you work on daily basis, today's work complete today itself. Don't keep it for tomorrow. Otherwise, Ashish, my dear Ashish, are you in Kodamangalam or are you in Angamali? Where are you now, man? All should. I want to see your face, man. So all should work out. All should work out. Daily basis. And I should not get a complaint about you. And I have told the teachers, don't enter them, admit them, those who do not write their names. Instead of your name, you write the name of your grandfather, grandmother, and all these things. Maybe some pet names. Jackie Jan or something like that. We will not admit it. You will have to wait there in the waiting room. Jackie Jan, Mickey Mouse, all these names. You have to enter. Today one was standing there outside. So he sent me a message, sir, teacher is not admitting me. So I was sitting here. So yes, so teacher told, sir, as you told, they are not, he is not writing his name. Okay. So write your name. Okay. These are the things to note it. Now let us come to the lesson. Page number 68. So there the doctor has taken the baby half dead. from the midst
Sir.
of wet papers.
Sir.
Then he told the nurse there, get me hot water and cold water, both separate. He threw out to the nurse. What did he throw? Adul, he threw out to the nurse. What did he throw?
His words.
His words, meaning he said, he commanded, he ordered. Clear now? These are the phrases. I threw my legs to the veranda.
Sir,
Ah,
I have a doubt.
ah.
That day during the meeting, you told about an assignment on COVID.
Ah.
I didn't get that.
In the beginning, I had told you about one assignment about COVID. Didn't? To write to make a collage, to make a story, and to make a statistics of the COVID in history. Didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell? Don't you remember? So now you remember. One general small assignment should be made. It has 3 parts. Note it. It has 3 parts. One is a collage. One is a collage. On an A4 sheet collage, you take some paper cuttings about COVID, pictures. You make a collage. One is a collage. Clear? Number 2, you make a story of a COVID affected patient. You can make a real story or an imaginative story, no problem. 2 pages only, 2 pages. 2 pages. 2 A4 sheet. Third one, a statistics of COVID history, either of Kerala or of India or of the world. Anyone you can choose it. With a bar graph or something like that, you can make a bar graph showing the statistics and make an explanation. Clear? These 3 things, you will keep it and make a cover, simple cover page, an assignment, a project on COVID, a project on COVID. That's all. That is punched with a booklet, stapled booklet, one set. Clear now? Clear? Any doubt?
Sir, how many pages total?
I told you collage 1 page, story minimum 2 or 3 pages, not too much. 2 or 3 pages story, then statistics 2 pages, 1 bar graph or 1 circle graph, and its explanation. It can be, you see, this statistics can be statistics of Kerala COVID history, monthly wise, or statistics of Indian COVID history, state-wise, or global country-wise. Anyone you can choose it, whichever is there. You can take it from newspaper. Clear now? All this together stapled, one project. And another project is there, CBSE project is there, that is in comparison with Kerala and Himachal Pradesh. So, and at the bottom on this COVID project, you have to write art integrated project. Write it. Art integrated project. This you can prepare very, very simple work, 2 days work, 2 or 3 days work. Here what is there? The write-up should be little artistic. Little artistic. Cover page, you can make a box and outside little color you give. You can use sketch or you can use pencil, color pencil, some coloring. So artistic one. Art integrated project, that is the thing. Clear now? Then later we will give you a comparative art integrated project of Kerala and Himachal Pradesh. Somewhat little more, little clarity we have to get it, then we will give you. Okay? That is later. Okay now. Achyut, clear? Are you clear?
Sir.
Okay. So, good. Like that, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Don't keep it. It is better not to do mistakes. If you have, clear and go. So, doctor said, bring me hot water, bring me some cold water, and a basin to underline. Hot water, cold water, and basin. Here there is a phrase, throughout to the nurse spoke. Here meaning, phrase. I threw my leg to the veranda. I threw my leg to the veranda. What does it mean? I took a knife. What do you think? I took a knife and cut my leg and throw it outside? No. I walked to the veranda. I walked to the veranda. I threw my eyes upon her. I threw my eyes upon her. What does it mean? I looked at her. Looked at her. These are certain phrases. So, you see, and basins too. Quick. But doctor, she faltered. Falter here means unsteady voice, shivering voice. She faltered. Her eyes on the pallid body of the child. Pallid body, pale body, weak body, deadly body. All these meanings you can use it. Quick! Doctor said, no need of talk. Bring it fast. Snatching a blanket, taking a blanket, he laid the child upon it. He took a blanket and laid the child on the blanket and began the special method of respiration, artificial respiration. He began to give artificial respiration. The basins arrived with its own legs. Am I right? The basins, you said, you see, the basins arrived with its own legs. No, she brought the basins. She brought the basins. The ewer, a jug, the big iron kettle. All these things came there. Frantically, again faltered, frantically, shivering, unsteadily, he splashed cold water into one basin because of tension. Frantically, we are shivering with the tension. We are unstable because we are under tension. So with great tension, this is the meaning. With great tension, he poured the cold water into the basin. Into the other, he mixed water as hot as his hand could bear. He touched it. It is called lukewarm water. L-U-K-E, lukewarm water. Little bit hot that we can touch the water, lukewarm water. So then, like some crazy juggler, a type of magician who shows some magical acts, crazy juggler, he hurried the child between the two. You see? He hurried the child between the two. Now plunging it into the icy, now into the steaming bath. Between the two, underline, between the two. Which are the two? Gauri, which are the two? He hurried the Gauri, right hand, touched the mouse. Where are you now? Gauri, have you gone for lunch? A pallid body is seen here. Gauri, what is the meaning? Two. What does it mean? Diya, what does it mean? Between two.
Between the ice water and hot water.
Sea water and hot water. Once in ice water, then cold water. Underline icy and steaming bath. Icy, steaming, that is two. 15 minutes passed. Sweat was now running into Andrew's eyes. He was under great tension. Sweat was coming to his eyes, blinding him. He could not see. That shows his great effort. One of his sleeves slung down, it fell down, dripping. His breath came pantingly. Pantingly means fast breathing. Fast breathing. But no breath came from the lax body of the child. Lax body, pallid body, pale body, weak body, deadly body. Many words here coming with the same meaning. So, doctor was sweating. Doctor was sweating. He was great worried. Sweat comes into his eyes. His sleeves got wet. There was great action in the life of the doctor. He is restless. After all, the child was pallid. There was no improvement. There was no change in the life of the child. No breath. Here panting came, fast breathing came from the doctor. But breath did not come. Inhaling, exhaling did not happen in the pale body of the baby. Lax body, pallid body, pale body, weak body, deadly body, half-dead body of the baby. A desperate sense of defeat pressed on him. A desperate sense of defeat pressed on him. A feeling of despair conquered him. He felt despair. He felt despair. Sometimes you also may feel, Michael, sometimes you may also feel. After watching the mobile for 3 hours and 4 hours continuously after the class. Now next week, if you use mobile more and more, you will become mad. You will become mad. 3 periods maths, 3 periods physics, or 2 periods physics, 2 periods computer, 2 periods chemistry. Forehead will become maddened with knowledge. At that time, if you are spending 2 hours more with the mobile, with the games and all these things, you will become really mad. Headache will be there. So, this is a warning to decrease the use of mobile after the class. Aditya, are you all right? Headache is all right? Okay. You are using speaker, isn't it? Yes, okay. So, Aditya was attending the class very seriously with a headset, earphone. So he got a headache. So I advised him to use a speaker at home and decrease the use of mobile also. Decrease the use of this motorbike, something races and all these things. So if you don't concentrate, what will happen? Motorcycle will hit, you will lose the point. So you are stressing your mind towards the right track of the motorcycle. Otherwise, you will not get some points or something. Actually, some points will get, isn't it? Points, game points. Then you will enter into the next stage. So mind will be worried about the points. You are not worried about the points in examination. That is why I told you next week onwards, be very serious. Make a battle, car race with the textbook. You race your car on the textbook. Otherwise, what I will do you know? I will hold your hair and keep you lying on the floor, and I will make writing your name. Cha. Cha, Malayalam, cha. Nya. In neuter, I will raise the gear. I will raise the accelerator. And now, in neuter, so what will happen? It will happen. Understand? I will hold on the hair and I will make it. It is better you yourself make it. So it will be smoother. It will be smoother. So no need to reply to me. Go according to the track. No need to reply to me. You have to move. You have to travel on the book. We are the foreigners in online classes in Kerala. We are the foreigners in all the ways. We do not want to lose it also. Once we reach the first position, we have to maintain it. Then only we will reach the trophy. Okay. So remember, tell 10 times at a day. January 25. January 25. January 25. And I am not a professionally salary earner. I am a daily wage labor. Daily wages labor. I have to work today. I have to complete today's work today. Then only I will get the wages. I have to complete my today's work. Then only I will get the wages. If it is salary, you can keep the work tomorrow. Before 31st, you have to complete it. No, it is not here like that. Monday onwards, you have to complete every day work on every day. Amalraj. Okay. Amalraj is always doing it. Ashish, I was searching you, man. Where were you? Did you go to Kodamangalam? I'm
at Kodamangalam.
You don't understand Josie, sir, isn't it? I heard that you are sleeping there at home and you are becoming more fat. I give you 1 week time. Stop all the sleep. Sit and do the hard work. Okay? Otherwise, you will become fatter and fatter. Okay. So, 15 minutes passed. Sweat was now running into Andrew's eyes. That's over. A desperate sense of defeat pressed on him. A raging hopelessness, despair. He felt the midwife watching him in stark consternation. He felt midwife watching him in stark consternation. What does it mean? With a hopeless wonder. One positive, one negative. Hopeless wonder. She is wondering, what does this man do? He is said to be a doctor. What does he do? The child is not breathing. Seriously, with hopeless mood, she was looking at him. While there, pressed back against the wall where she had all the time remained. She was standing at the wall. So she was pressing herself. When we are in despair, our body will go backwards. Our body will go backward. If you have hope, you will thrust forward. So she was slanting on the wall with a hopeless amazement, hopeless wonder. What does this man do? Why don't he leave the child aside and go to the lady? At least one will be saved. You see? Her hand pressed to her throat, uttering no sound. It was a posture. When we lose all the hopes, when we feel hopeless, we will bring our, you see, this is the position. Pressing. Oh, Shivani, good morning. Yes. She has gone to Kailashanath, isn't it? Today morning only she came. Okay. So she was pressing her neck. This shows uncertainty. If you go to the ICU, at the door of the ICU, you will see this kind of people. What is going to happen? Uncertainty is there. So here she was in an ICU. She did not have any hope. Uncertainty was there. Uttering no sound. Her eyes burning upon him. You see another phrase. Her eyes burning upon him. Looking at him hopelessly. Looking at him hopelessly was the old woman. She was standing there. He remembered her longing for a grandchild. So doctor came half an hour early. So he had some nice talk with the grandmother. So from that talk, the doctor understood that, oh, this grandmother is expecting a grandchild. The grandmother was expecting with great expectations. She was sitting there for a grandchild. So doctor remembered her longing, desire for a grandchild, as great as had been her daughter's longing for this child. Mother had great expectation to have a child. More than that, the grandmother had the great expectation for a grandchild. Doctor was thinking about this great responsibility. This memory, this thought made him more responsible. At any cost, I have to save the child. You see? Annette, do you understand? Annette's mother came to me. I don't know. Suppose Annette's mother came to me one day and told me, sir, Annette is very weak at studies. With a great struggle, I made her pass class 9. Sir, this year, we want just only 50% mark, sir. Annette, 50% mark. And in the first 2-3 exams, I saw Annette failing in many subjects. So when I looked at the consolidated list, I remembered the words of her mother. You see, what a great expectation her mother kept on her. What a great expectation her mother kept on me. That those words will increase my responsibility towards Annette. That responsibility make me to decide to make her pass. Clear now? So she passed with 94%. So see the happiness. So here you see the doctor remembered the great expectation of mother and grandmother. It increased his responsibility. All dashed away now. Everything is over now. Child is dead, going to be dead. No breath is there. What shall I say? What shall I say to this mother and grandmother? Before the delivery, I told, no problem, I will take care. What did I take care? What care I have taken? What should reply to this mother and grandmother? All dashed away. Everything is lost. Everything is lost. Ashish, I will ask you after 2 months. I'm checking here where breath is there or not. Hot water is there, icy water is here. I will dip you in icy water. So you will say, oh. Then I will dip you in hot water. Then you will cry. Isn't it? I am boiling water here. So all dashed away now. Futile, without any result. Futile, in vain, without result, beyond remedy. There is no solution. Hopeless, despair, desperate. He lost all his hope of saving the child. Understand? Let us see tomorrow. Shivani, when are you going to Kashi? And now next she is going to Kashi, Vishwanath temple, isn't it? She has booked the ticket, chartered flight, isn't it?
No.
Chartered flight? Do you know where is Kashi? Kashi is Uttar Pradesh. Yes. Kashi temple. When are you going? Tomorrow? Because she will not be seen and tomorrow for 2-3 days. Okay. I end the meeting. Next we will see in the next class.